Honestly, I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves. Can't you tell? Baby, baby, I have thick skin. Yeah, I don't let things get to me. But do you want me to spell it out for you right now? I'm not feeling your vibe. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I think you're messing with the wrong girl. I bring the thunder, haven't you heard? But honestly, I just wanna dance with my girls here tonight. No man by our sides. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom.
Okay, so that was October setup. Let's go back in time to August. So we have book that was self-published, book with a peach cover, book that you wish you could read for the first time again, and book that was published / set in the decade that you were born in. I did talk about this while I was setting up September. I cheated. I switched the Fourth Wing and the Martian, so it's fine. And then I did add on a book. I added on the Midnight Library because that was the Joshi Curran book for September, and I just needed a book to read. So I went ahead and read that one. And then I did not fill out my monthly review. I have gone into the past and I filled out a bunch more reviews. But I still have to do so. I think for July also. Yeah, I think I have to fill out my monthly review for July. My hand started cramping, so it's fine. And I will fill out the monthly review for August. So let's fill out my statistics. I use the story graph to track my stats and things like that. It's not that good. Like, I'll catch up on Goodreads eventually, but Goodreads doesn't really, in my oh so humble opinion, track reading stats very well. So that is something that I like to get out of every single month. So it's fine. Okay, so by all intents and purposes, sometimes it's hard to find information related to like the author and how they identify themselves. By all stretches of the imagination, it appears that we have 3 she, her, and in fact, I'm not going to get into it, but obviously one of them is because we know what book that I read, but I don't talk about that author. And it looks like it's 50-50 Brits and US. The number of pages, okay, so we have one that was over 500 pages, so that was 25%. Okay, genre, I had 100% fiction this month. Okay, so that's my stats page. The Tombos that I used for this were 249, 992, 192, 977, and 228. And I think last but not least is moving over to the book ratings page. So we have, if I can find a black pen. I actually did start reading this again. Oh, I forgot that I wanted to read that. Sometimes I get back into this and I'm like, oh. Okay, so I did not finish 5 Love Languages. I did finish Harry Potter, and I am not reviewing this based on my feelings about certain things, but I am reviewing it based on... It's hard not to bring nostalgia into it, so I am giving it 5 stars. Fourth Wing, I also gave 5. The Falling in Love montage is this month. I switched The Martian and Fourth Wing, so I read this Fourth Wing during my birthday month instead of The Martian. I do want to read that though, because my only context is the movie, so I just kind of... it's been a hot minute since I've seen the movie, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start making some of these stickers that are 5 stars, 4 stars, etc. That way I don't have to fill them out because I'm a little lazy. And one of the books that I read is one of those novellas, so I didn't do that. Did I also not? Oh, I did. Sorry, I did print out the Midnight Library, so let me go ahead and put that in. This is part of the Joshi Corinne book club for this month, so if you are interested, I will link her information down below. And if you want to join that Discord, you know, they have fascinating conversations in there as well. All right, so I actually gave that book 5 stars because I thought it was really, really interesting as a concept. Basically, when you are in between life and death, it talks about you going through your library and trying to pick a new route for yourself to see if you actually do want to die or if you don't want to die, and then trying to figure out from there what you're going to do. So I thought it was really fascinating as a concept, and I really enjoyed that. So I gave it 5 stars, and I thought the reading was fairly good too. Listen, I'm a people pleaser, and there's very few books that, like, if I am reading it and I don't stop myself, it's hard for me to give things a low rating. If I'm like trucking through it, then typically I give it a lower rating. But I'm one of those people that, like, if I sat down, I turned the page, I wanted to finish the book, and I enjoyed myself while I was reading it, I generally give 5 stars. So I'm really easy to please when it comes to this stuff. So that is my whole setup and my review into August. Oh, and I did do a Fourth Wing page on here as well. So we are going on into October. These stickers are available in my shop starting on Monday, so definitely check those out if you are interested as well. They are available as a printable. And thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.